Since the field was in its infancy 20 years ago or so, we've now developed a lot of really neat, newer technologies for treating patients, whether that be medical treatments or surgical treatments, to make them much more effective for patients and give them greater relief.
I would say 10 or 20 years ago, there were really just two things that people treated sinus disease with: antibiotics and oral steroids, and that was really it. There's really just been an explosion of research and development of different technologies and different medications. We've kind of had a front seat to all of that, so we have a pretty robust clinical trials program.
We're coming up with new treatments, new medications. We're doing many, many clinical trials, so we've got novel treatments for patients that they can't get elsewhere, and industry are coming to us to get ideas on what kind of new treatments can we come up with, and then how can we execute these studies to make patients' lives better.
Companies, whether they're startup companies or huge pharmaceutical companies, will come to us and say, we have a new product, a new medication that we want to do a trial on, and will you be involved in that? So for us, it gives us insight into the development of all of these new treatments, but it also gives our patients access to that. A lot of these treatments, it may be years before they're ever on the market, but we can get access to these now through these trials.
We're able to offer many of the latest and greatest treatments, the cutting-edge technologies for our patients, because we are an academic institution and many of the industry and government-sponsored studies. So that's really what we do here. We always want to be looking to improve our outcomes so that patients can get better.